Hi! In front of me is HTC Desire 628, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize keyboard theme on this device. First of all, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and download an app called Gboard. I already did that because it was taking ages, so I can open it right away by tapping on open here and then just enable in settings. Over here you need to click on the switcher next to Gboard, then click on select input method, choose Gboard here and tap on done. Now I prefer to click home button and choose settings. Then scroll all the way down and select language and keyboard. Over here you need to select Gboard and tap on theme. Now just show more to see all available ones, and when you're ready, tap on the one that you like the best, like the pink one. Click on the switcher next to keyboards to switch them on or off and tap apply. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, I can see the theme of it has changed. Some pop-ups, sorry. But you can also go into the same settings in order to customize it. This time go into theme, tap on this plus sign under my themes and select the photo that you wish to apply. Following that, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on done, tap on the switcher next to keyboards to switch them on or off and choose apply. Now when I go back again, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!